What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. What I'm going to go over here is the NQ. We're going to go over the scalping strategy that I'm teaching a lot here on YouTube, as well as in my personal Discord and community at Evolution Traders, with a lot more, technical kind of knowledge and trainings with the live streams and everything in the morning. But again, a lot of you guys have been watching these videos on the particular strategy. A lot of you guys like a simple strategy. A lot of you guys like clean entries and exits, meaning that if some particular event happens, we're going to take a trade. If some particular event happens, we're going to get stopped out or take profits. Now, the market this week has been exceptionally choppy, okay? And I say that with all due respect, right? A lot of the futures traders and evolution traders have made some money this week. Some of us have lost a little bit of money this week. Again, none of us are really down too bad, right, to where you're getting killed, but it's causing, a lot of people that I'm looking at around social media to kind of wonder what's going on with the market, right? So we're going through what's called a level of, a period of distribution. Normally distribution lasts anywhere between 3 and like 8 days, right? And what that is anytime we reclaim a big level, right? A macro level of supply or demand, there's generally a fight that goes on between bulls and bears as far as where price action is going to go next. So we reclaimed that 50-day moving average as a whole and kind of put in a high. We went sideways, we came back, we lost it, and today we had that big gap down. However, today we're pushing all the way kind of back up, getting back into that zone. So what I want to show you guys here is, if we're looking at the 5-minute time frame, this is going to be our opening candle here, right? So this is our opening candle. I've got this demand zone down here that I was drawing for the guys on the live stream, because we were watching this area to hold this day's low and where we were kind of trading at, in that overnight session high, right? And then we've got our resistance that was acting up here, which gave us another little bit of a trade intraday. But what I want to show you guys here is that once we punched higher here, we kind of made an attempt to get over the 20 SMA. Now at 6:40 Pacific Standard Time, we do close over the 20 SMA. However, there's no confirmation. And again, what is the definition of confirmation to me? So if our 20 period moving average is here, we get a candle that closes over the 20 period moving average, that is going to be our reason why candle. That becomes our pivot. The top wick becomes our pivot. If it was, if the 20 period moving average is here and we closed underneath, that bottom wick is going to be called what's called the pivot. Okay, so that's our reason why candle. This becomes our pivot. We need the next candle not to close above it, but we need it to break that previous pivot. As soon as price action breaks, we can actually get in. And I was telling the guys because there's been so many up and down movements to kind of start the open, it's been very, very choppy, and it's taking the market a little bit of time to kind of get going in one direction. Let's at least kind of wait like 30 seconds, a minute before we put our money into that candle that confirms. Just due to the fact that what I'm looking at here is, especially this week, we're getting that close over under the 20 SMA, and then price action's breaking it. It's putting in like a quick high in like 10, 15, 20 seconds, and then it's pulling right back down, and it's like we're getting stopped out. And then it's like after the second or third or fourth trade where we finally catch it and then kind of recover those losses and then actually go into the green. I just don't like messing around with losses when we don't have to, right? So let's just kind of give it like a 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute into that 5-minute candle before we actually punch our money into the trade. So at 6:40 a.m., we close over the 20 SMA, however, no confirmation. Okay, at 6:45, we close underneath the 20 SMA. Our 1 bar stop is going to be here. So this is going to be our max pain. This is going to be our pivot. And this actually does confirm. And if we look at it again, so here's what I'm going to tell you guys. Let's not be greedy. Let's not be greedy. I know you want to hold. I know you want to make a bunch of money. I know you want to pass your combines. I know you want to oversize, right? I know it looks cool and it feels great when you win on the NQ because it's so big, but guys, the NQ is a beast, right? Like I've been trading, triple Qs, tech stocks, the NASDAQ for years now. It's an absolute monster, right? So everyone loves to trade it because you can make so much money. However, right? There's a big however. When you lose, you don't like to lose because it's so big. So make sure, for one thing, you're sized correctly, right? Do not oversize on the amount on the account that you have, and you'll be able to withstand the losses or the pullbacks and up and downs. The emotions will be a lot more calm, and you'll be able to sit in the trade longer to see if it actually is going to play out. Okay. with that being said, our entry price was going to be somewhere around 15,202, and it drops all the way down to 15,175. I'm telling all my traders right now, if you're looking for these scalps, 15, 20, 25 points, get the heck out. That's it. Please try it for the next 10 trades. Like, what do you as a trader have to lose if you just try this one plan for the next 10, 15, 20 trades? D said that if we stick to the plan and we respect our stop loss and we're sized accordingly and we do the same thing for 15, 20 trades, we're going to be profitable. Try it out. If you're not profitable after 20 trades, come back here, let me know, and then let's get on a call and let's see what is going on, right? Let's see, is it the market? Is it our emotions? Was it the strategy? Let's see. But I can guarantee you, most of you guys out there, 90% of you guys are not going to do it because you're so darn impatient. You don't even want to give it enough time to see if it's going to work, meaning that you just want to win this trade, you want to win this trade, you want to win 5,000, you want to win 10,000, you want to win 800, and then you don't want to ever lose. You're going to lose, but like we want to lose responsibly, right? So in order to keep our success rate higher, in order to keep our hit rate, at a good percentage to where we're going to be profitable, we need to be thinking scalp. So if we take 2 contracts, we're going to sell at 15, 20, 25 points, and we're going to hold the other one to break even or move it into profit, and then continue to see if we get more points after that. That's all I want you guys to do for the next 20 trades. Take profits at 15, 20, 25 points, whatever you desire, right? Whatever your little heart desires, and then set your runner to break even or a little bit in profit, and then see if you can get some more points off it. And if you get another 5, 10 points, take those profits, come back, do it again. Do that for 20 trades. Please do it for 20 trades to come back. This trade here went from, the 202 all the way down on the first 5-minute candle to 172, and then eventually dropped all the way down to 161. So this was a 40-point move. If you caught 30 points on the NQ, could you be done for the day? More than likely, right? If you're sized correctly. The next 20 play here sets up at 7:10 Pacific Standard Time. It does confirm, however, this one probably would have stopped you out here. So let's now we're scratch even if you took each and every single play, right? Because again, I'm a realist. We're not going to win every play, and I'm not telling you guys that just because you follow a strategy or you follow the strategy that you're going to win every play. What I'm telling you is that if you respect your stop loss, 1-bar stop or the 20 SMA, depending on which one is closer or which one you would like to use, and you start taking profits at 15, 20, 25 points, holding the runner, and so forth, and you do that for 20 trades, you will be profitable. Trust me. The next trade that sets up short here never confirms, so there's no trade here. However, at 7:35, we do get confirmation. We get our pivot. That pivot was around 15,240, and it does confirm at 7:40, so we would have been in on this trade, and we go from a price of 15,240 all the way up to 15,278. Another 38 points. So if we're taking 15, 20, 25 points, now we've won 2 trades, we've lost 1, we broke even on the first one, a little bit profitable, but we kind of broke even. Now we're up 30 points again, 35 points, 40 points. Okay, let's look at the next trade. Next trade sets up here at 8:40 in the morning. At 8:40 in the morning, we confirm our pivot of 15,229. Okay, and then here at 8:45, we confirm that price action. We should have been long here at 8:45, or excuse me, short here at 8:45 in the morning, and that goes from a price of 229 all the way down to 196, another 30 points. Are we starting to understand? Is it starting to click? If you start taking these trades using the correct stop loss, 1-bar stop, you're going with the direction, you're not hesitating, you're not guessing that we're going to bounce here, you're not guessing that, well, it's been choppy, well, maybe it's going to reverse here and I should just play the opposite way. No, follow the strategy, use a 1-bar stop, allow yourself to be in the move, right? So size yourself accordingly, allow yourself to be in the move till they give it enough time to work, and take 15, 20, 25 points. 30 points here, 30 points here, 30 points here. We lost on 1 trade. Now we've taken 4 trades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We took 4 trades. We lost 1. You would be up at least 40 to 50 points on the NQ today. You're done. I stress to all my traders, if you can't make money in the first 2 hours of the market, probably just hang it up, right? Just hang it up. If you want to watch the candlesticks and mentally trade, that's fine. But the first 2 hours is more than enough to make a side income. It's more than enough to make a full-time living. It's more than enough to, wet your beak, right? You're going to wet your beak in the first 2 hours. And if you can't wet your beak in the first 2 hours, come back tomorrow. I guarantee you'll wet your beak. But again, if you guys enjoy this video, you guys want to learn more, you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to start building a trading plan with me, I'm taking personal phone calls all day long, setting up these one-on-one coaching calls, guys. and I'm swamped. Like literally, I am swamped from about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's currently 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm still working, right? We work around here in Evolution Traders. If you want to be a good trader, you got to work as well. Again, enjoy your life, right? Enjoy your life. Go out to dinner, take the wife out, take the girlfriend out, take the other chick out. Do whatever you guys need to do. The kids, the dog, I don't care, right? It doesn't matter. Enjoy your life, but also put in the work. Put in the work. It's going to pay dividends in the long run, okay? So if you guys are really serious about building a trading plan, understanding why you're fearful of taking trades, if you understand why you're hesitating to take trades, understand why you're being greedy and holding for too long when I'm clearly telling you that you would have hit at an 85% hit rate today on 4 trades if you would have taken 15, 20, 25 points. If you size yourself correctly, if you trade the right hours of the day, let's get together. Let's get in the community. Let's start working with the other traders as well. The room is growing. I'm capping it off here. I can't, I can only train so many people and I can only trade with so many people. What does that mean? That if I have 4 or 5 calls a day that are going to last 45 minutes an hour, that's 4 or 5 hours a day. If I'm trading the first 2 hours of the day, that's another 2 hours. If I'm looking at the charts, doing my back testing and creating YouTube videos, that's another 2 or 3 hours. Guys, I'm at 10, 12, 13 hour work days. So if you want to take advantage, I'm only going to have it open for a little bit more time. EvolutionTraders.com, become a lifetime member, okay? A lifetime member. If you don't prefer that, but I know a lot of you do because you guys keep emailing me and you guys keep telling me, don't take off the lifetime member. Guys, the only reason why I am taking off that lifetime membership is because of what I just focused on. I'm getting a lot of calls a day, which I will sit here and go over things with you guys all day long. But I only have so much time in the day. I only have so many hours in the day to kind of get through everyone. If I was to take another, let's say 15 traders, it would be impossible. It'd be impossible for me to do it if I took another 15 traders. Physically impossible without hiring out a team of other traders who I trust. But again, that's what I'm looking to get at as well. So if you guys are a good trader and you guys, can prove some results, then hey, let's come on the team. Let's help teach other traders, because again, the stronger our team is, the more money we're going to make. And the more money we make, the more money you guys make. We work together as a team. This is not me pounding my chest saying, look at me, I'm an amazing trader. Guys, I only win about 55% of my trades anyways. But I'm profitable on 55% of my trades. So am I going to sit here and tell you that if you follow everything that I'm teaching that you're going to win 95% of the time? Of course not. You're probably going to lose 4 or 5 trades. But what I'm telling you is that over a series of 20 trades, you will be profitable. That's what I am telling you, as long as you stick to the plan and you stay on course and you stay on track. So if you want to join EvolutionTraders.com, I took the links down from almost everywhere. I'm only offering it to you guys who keep emailing me about it. If not, you can also follow the link down in the description box to join us. I'll see you guys in the next video.